In this video, let us try to understand how to draw the schematic of CMOS NAND gate. So before this, we need to draw the symbol of NAND gate. So this is the symbol of NAND gate which contains two inputs and one output. If you want to write the Boolean expression for this, it is y is equal to a dot b whole bar. In CMOS, always remember one concept, that this whole bar should be present for any kind of Boolean expression that you are solving. And already I told you there is a concept called as dot and plus. Dot is called as series, plus is called as parallel. First and foremost thing is concentrate the variables which are present below the bar. So if you observe, there are two variables which are a and b, and they are represented by means of dot, means they are connected in series. So always start with NMOS. It contains two transistors which are connected in series. This is A, this is B. And always pull up network is something which is complement of pull down network. Means in NMOS, if they are connected in series, in PMOS they should be connected in parallel. So as here they are connected in series, so here they will be in parallel. At this point I'll take the output which is Y. Here it is VDD. This part will be ground. Again the same variables which are A and B. Now the important point here is we need to mark source, drain and gate terminals. So let me change the color. So here this is source, this is drain, this is source, this is drain, and here this top part is source and the bottom part is drain, and these terminals are gate. Now the direction of flow of current for PMOS is something like this, and this is for NMOS. So this is how we draw the schematic of CMOS NAND gate.